Good morning, Phil and video. So sorry to say I'm out today. Definitely not a great time so early on, but here we are. So what we're going to do is really what we had planned to do anyway. The only difference is, if you remember, I said I was going to break the class in two while half of you worked on one thing and I talked to the other half. We're just going to change that up. Whatever. So, excuse me. If you remember yesterday, I hope you do, we talked about different types of camera shots and angles. Awesome. So we got a little bit more to talk about. We'll do that Friday, Tuesday. I don't know, something like that. What I'm going to ask you all to do today is to complete the newly posted assignment called Camera Shot Sizes Worksheet. And the worksheet looks something like this. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on this website. Maybe you've heard of it. It's called YouTube. And we did check this yesterday. So on the iMacs in Chrome, you should be able to get to YouTube. If not, I'm sure you can find a different video resource, but it should work. So when you go to YouTube, I want you to find something to watch. The best thing probably is a movie trailer, because there's going to be lots of different camera shots happening. Tend to do that for pacing and such. And what I want you to do is, as you watch it, I want you to identify and find these shots. Now, if the video you watch has it all, then you're all set. If you need to find a couple different videos, that's fine. Either way, please copy and paste the link to your YouTube video or videos right here. All right, so how are you going to do this? Well, first off, you got to remember what you learned, or you got to teach yourself. So what's ECU stand for? Well, you could remember that it is an extreme close-up, and you'd be good to go. If you're not sure exactly what that means, you have the internet at your disposal. If you don't remember what ECU stands for, again, if you type it in, I'm sure you will find the answer to any of these. But real quick, extreme close-up, medium shot, long shot, extreme long shot, over the shoulder. You can pick a high, low, or eye level shot. Don't do all three. Establishing shot, and then the rule of thirds we actually haven't talked about, so don't do that one yet. So how are you going to do this? Well, you're going to go and find a movie trailer. Here's a sweet looking trailer. I'll just randomly find. Okay, so let's just say that I want to use this as one of my examples. I'm not going to say what shot it is, but just pretend that you know this is one you want. What I want you to do is I want you to take a screen grab. So let's all learn how we do screen grabs. So if you look at your computer keyboard in the bottom left corner, there is a command button, a shift button, and the number 4. So if I go command shift 4 and I press all 3 keys down, you might notice, and don't hold them, just press them. You might notice your mouse cursor now is kind of like a crosshair. And if I put the crosshair here and I click and I drag, I can drag a box around the video, about yay big. And when I let go, you'll hear a little noise and you'll see in the bottom corner a little thumbnail of what you just captured. Now, if you wait a second, it does take a couple seconds. See, it's still stuck there. Come on. Okay, well, that's a lot longer than normal. What you're eventually going to see is the file shows up. There he is, right there. So if I take my Google Chrome, I go back to my worksheet, and I shrink this a little bit, I should be able to take that picture and drag it into where I think it is. So if I think this is a rule of thirds, and that's it. And I can resize it and such. All right, that was a little bit longer than I wanted, but we don't know how to do screen grab, so it took a little extra time. Today, please fill out this worksheet. When you're done, be sure to hand it in, and we'll catch up tomorrow. Thanks for your help. Have a great day.